Ding ding ding.
I need to go get do that.
No getting rough.
I did that hard. That's why I wasn't really doing it hard. I was like faking out like they do.
You guys are wasting time. You're already at 30 seconds.
Wow! It's like pinching me. Told you not to do it. But it's wrestling. It's called wrestling.
I hope I got that. That was funny.
I'm gonna do it again because it's wrestling. And it's funny when you go crazy.
She never goes crazy on me. Hello, get away from my
I thought she was gonna headbutt me.
I thought she was going.
Trust me, I was trying. And then I'm putting my pony down when I'm face.
Got about 25 seconds. Take her down now, it's all you got. Am I supposed to be counting?
No. No.
Okay.
It's the mission now. Okay, count.
1, 2, 3, 4,
What's the submission?
5, 6.
It's if you do something like that. Or boom.
Oh, you guys got 3 minutes. You guys get 3 minutes, I guess.
Okay. Ow.
Yeah, she says ow now, and then after she's gonna start crying about it. 15 seconds. Grab her and swing her around like you do me. I wasn't talking to you, Haley.
Just